Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix steam.dll not found or missing error. So I found if you encounter this steam error, you try to install the pirated games. Am I right or wrong? Usually this happen when you try to install the cracked game. So I don't recommend you to use pirate games or cracked games. Please purchase the official games from Steam. Especially in this case, you have to purchase and download install from Steam. So you will not encounter this error. But if you encounter this Steam that .dll not found or missing errors, this is how you can fix it. You can maybe this file is deleted or read by quarantine by your antivirus. You can access your antivirus or recycle bin to restore the file. Second, you can restart computer, and also the third is copy steam.dll. But make sure you download the Steam and install the Steam app on your PC so you can access the Steam itself, Steam folder, and copy the steam.dll into your game directory or application directory. So feel free to try. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so the next button below. See you in the next video.